Now, let's look at this question. It's a physics question. A 500 kilogram car, which was initially at rest, traveled with an acceleration of 5 meters per second square. Its kinetic energy after 4 seconds was A, 10 raised to the power 5 joule, B, 2.5 times 10 raised to the power 3 joule, C, 2 times 10 raised to the power 3 joule, and D, 5 times 10 raised to the power 3 joule. This is question 3, 1979 jump. It's a jump question. So now, when we want to solve this type of question, so the first thing we are going to do is to write solution. The first thing is to write out the parameters. What are the parameters that we are given in the what? In the question. Number one, the question says a 500 kilogram car. So we are given mass, which is M, is equal to what? 500 kilogram, which was initially at rest, traveled. So initially at rest, this shows that the initial acceleration, which is our U, is what? Is 0 meter per second. Then initially at rest, with an acceleration of 5 meters per second square. Its kinetic energy after 4 seconds. So we said its kinetic energy after 4 seconds, we are given time, which is T, is equal to what? 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Then what are we to find here? They said its kinetic energy after 4 seconds was. So we have to find the kinetic energy. Ke is the unknown. How do we do this? Firstly, we know that the formula for calculating the kinetic energy is what? So kinetic energy, Ke, is equal to half mv squared. But looking at the parameters here, we are not given v, isn't it? So the first thing is to look for v. So which of the equation of motion can we use? We can use v is equal to u plus at. So what's our v? That's what we are looking for. Is equal to what's our u is 0 plus our acceleration, which is, oh, I did not write out the acceleration, so we are given here. They said with an acceleration of 5 meters per second square. So our A is equal to what? 5 meters per second square. So now we insert the A here, which is 5. So 5 multiplied by our T, which is what? 4 seconds. So V is equal to, do not forget I said our A is 5 multiplied by our T, which is 4 seconds. So our V is now equal to, our V will be 0 plus 5 times 4, 20, which is what? V is equal to 20 meters per second. Now inserting it into the formula, Ke is equal to half mv square. So now we can now say 1 over 2 multiplied by 500, which is our mass. This is our mass, 500 kilogram, multiplied by our velocity, which has been gotten now. This is it. So 20 square. So now it's now going to be 1 over 2 times 500 multiplied by, what's our 20 square? That is 400. Isn't it? So now 2 can go for 400 and give us 200. Then our final answer is 500 times 200. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2, 10. Then how many zeros remaining? We have 2 here. We have 2 here, making 4 zeros. 4. So what's the unit of kinetic energy? That is joule. So this can be written in standard form as 1 times 10 raised to the power 5 joule. Because when you count it from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, no. You should have 5 times 2 here is 10. Then how many zeros? 4 zeros. 4 zeros. 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we want to calculate. We want to get our formula in our result in standard form. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 1 times 10 raised to the power 5 joule, which is equal to what? 10 raised to the power 5 joule. And that's our final answer. That is what? Option what? That is option A. Option A. So this is our final answer. So that's how to calculate such a question. So the question is under work, energy, and power. So that's the end of the solution. Do have a nice day.